This is where Marvin Sefton spent his last moments alive. He was stabbed to death by someone he had met at a bar that night. Today, Christopher MacGregor pleaded guilty to manslaughter. He will spend 8 years behind bars. Sefton's sister says her brother had a big heart. He loved kids and wanted to be a kindergarten teacher.
I wished it could have been longer than 8 years. I really do. But I'm kind of shocked, I guess. And maybe some closure will become of it. I'm just happy that something finally, after all these years, is being done.
Court heard the victim, MacGregor, and another woman were partying together on March 1st, 2014. There was booze and cocaine. At about 3 in the morning, the night took a turn. The Crown isn't exactly sure why Sefton was stabbed, but it says MacGregor wasn't honest about it right away and laid the blame on somebody else. Inside the courtroom, MacGregor was emotional. He cried almost the entire time, often looking down or looking at his supporters. Crumpled tissues began to line the prisoner's box. He choked up as he apologized to his victim's family. He told them he's ashamed and that no amount of sorries will fix what he did. MacGregor said, "I wish I could have never committed this horrible crime."
It was one of the most heartfelt expressions of remorse I've seen in my approximately 15 years practicing criminal law. This is a man who's had a heavy burden to carry on this matter, and he's genuinely hopeful that his guilty plea gives a measure of solace to the family.
Marvin was a human being, and I don't know what gave Mr. MacGregor the right to play God at that time.
The judge noted it's rare nowadays that somebody owns up to their actions, and that was relevant in the sentence. Although she says a guilty plea won't bring the victim back or make it any less painful for his family, it does offer hope. Hope that one day his killer can return to society as a contributing member. Stephanie Taylor, CBC News, Regina.